So I just got a $100,000 trading account to trade crypto, and no, it is not my own money, but whatever profit I make with this $100,000 trading account, I take a percentage of that profit. So for example, if I pass this trading challenge and I start trading with this $100,000 live account and I make, let's say, 5% profit, which is about $5,000, now I get to take at least 70% to 90% of that profit, which is about, I think, $3,000 to $4,000 of that profit. Now, some of you might be wondering and asking or saying, what is this all about? Now, let me explain. So some months ago, I made a video about a crypto prop firm, and so many of you were shocked that we even have crypto trading prop firms out there. Now, it is not only in the Forex industry that we have prop firms. We also have different, even so many crypto prop firms in the crypto industry. And it's not just one, it's not just two, we have a lot. And that is why I'm introducing another crypto trading prop firm to you guys in this video. And the name of that prop firm is called HyroTrader. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about who they are, how this prop firm works, and I'll walk you through my own $100,000 challenge setup so that you can be able to do yours easily. Before I go into all of that, please like this video so that other people can be able to see it. And please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We are trying to hit 200,000 subscribers before the end of this year. Thank you. So what is HyroTrader all about? Now, HyroTrader is basically a crypto prop firm. So what they do is that they give traders access to large trading capital up to $200,000 so you can trade and grow your profit without using or risking your own money. And the good thing about this is that you can trade a prop firm account on Bybit. Yes, on Bybit. And that is one of the main reasons why I'm bringing this to you guys, because I know a lot of you watching this video right now, you are trading crypto on Bybit, including myself. So they give you a challenge to pass, and once you pass that challenge, you get funded. And once you get funded, you get to keep between 70% to 90% of the profit you make. And that will depend on your account type and your performance. Now, don't worry, I'll be taking you through the website and I'll be explaining everything you need to know about HyroTrader to you. So please make sure you continue watching so that you don't miss any important information. So here is how it works. Now, the first thing you want to do is to click on the first link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment of this video to get started, and it will bring you right here to the page on your screen. So this website right here is where it will bring you to. So this is the HyroTrader website. And you can see it says crypto prop firm. Unlock your potential with funded crypto trading and trade confidently with up to $200,000 in capital. Keep up to 90% of your profit. So you can see right there, just like I explained earlier. And then it says how to join HyroTrader's crypto trading challenge. Now it says the first step is to apply and connect. Now the first step, like I said earlier, is to click on the first link in the description of this video, and it brings you to this website. And then you go ahead and select the account you want to buy or the account you want to use. I'll be showing you that very soon. So once you pick the account size you want to use, you go ahead and connect it to your Bybit account. Now that's the first step. Now the second step is to prove your skills. So this is where you now trade the account and you follow the rules and make sure that you reach the target. So once you reach the target for the prop firm challenge, then you go to step 3, which is where you can now start getting rewards. So this is where you now go into the live account and they now give you that account size, and whatever profit you make, you get 70 to 90% of that profit. I hope you understand. And the good thing is that they pay every day, so you can be getting your payouts every day after you get to the live stage. I hope you understand. So it is very simple and straightforward. Now, if you keep scrolling up, you'll be able to see the successful payout they've done to different crypto traders. So you can be able to see the amount they've paid out to different traders on the screen. And then if you keep scrolling up, you'll be able to see the list of account sizes that you can get. So let me scroll down to that point. So this is where you have the different account sizes that you can get. So you can see you have the one of $5,000 capital, you have the one of $10,000, $25,000, $50,000, $100,000, and you have $200,000. Now, the first thing you need to know is that before you go ahead and pick any of this trading capital or account size that you want, you need to pick between a one-step challenge type or a two-step challenge type. Now, what is the difference between these? Now, the difference between this one-step challenge type and this two-step challenge type is just the price for the account and then the risk management rules that you need to follow. Now, in terms of the price, now for the one-step trading challenge, for this one, it is more expensive than the two-step trading challenge. It is more expensive. So let's take the $100,000 accounts now, for example. So for this $100,000, or let me take the 5,000 maybe for beginners. Let me start with the $5,000 capital account. So if I'm picking one step challenge type and I'm using the $5,000 trading capital, the amount is just $119. So I'm paying $119 to get this trading capital. But if I'm picking two step right here, for two step it is just $89. So you can see for two step it is cheaper. So that means that the one step is more expensive. Now, the second difference between this one step and two step is in terms of rules. So in terms of rules, the one step trading challenge is more strict than the two step trading challenge type. I hope you understand. So if you want to see that, you just scroll down, you'll be able to see. So this is where you have the trading rules. So as you can see right here, for the one step, if you come here to you have daily drawdown, the daily drawdown is 4%. So 4% means that once you lose 4% of your total capital in a day, then you lose the account. So if you lose more than 4% in a day, you lose the whole account. And for the maximum loss right here, maximum loss means that if you lose more than 6% of your total capital, that means that you lose the account. So you're using $5,000 and then you lose more than 6%, you lose the whole account. I hope you understand. So this one is more strict. Now let's check the two-step. Now, for the two-step account size, you can see that for the daily drawdown, you have 5%. So that means you can still lose 1% more. You know, the one step was 4%, but for the two-step, it is 5%, which means that you can still lose 5% of your total capital in a day. And then the maximum loss is 10%. You know, the one step one was 6%, but for two step, it is 10%. So this means that you can still lose 10% of your total capital right there. I hope you understand. So the two step is less strict than the one step. I hope you understand. So those are the differences between whether one step or two step. Now, for a lot of beginners, I always advise you use two step. For me, I always use two step. So I will advise that you use two step. So once you've picked the two step, then the next thing is now go ahead and pick the trading capital that you want. So for me, I picked the $100,000 one. So this is $100,000, and for that it is $599 right there, which is about $600. And if you can't afford the $600, if it's this $5,000 one you want, that you can afford $89 for it, then you can go ahead and do that. So let's say I want to do the $100,000 one, just come here, pick it, and then come here and click on Start Challenge. And then once you enter the code, just click on Apply. So once you get to this page right here, this is where you go ahead and enter your details. And then once you enter your details, come here to where you have your payment method and click whether you want to pay through your card or whether you want to pay with crypto. So once you've picked that, then you come here to where you have this promo code, where you have enter your promo code and enter the code showing on your screen right now. So the code showing on your screen is simple. It is just XOBCI9V. Again, XOBCI9V. So you can take a screenshot of it right now so that you don't forget whenever you want to use it to get an account on HyroTrader. It is simple and straightforward. And if you use this promo code, you get 5% discount on whatever amount you are trying to pay. I hope you understand it. So you can see right here, after clicking on apply, I've gotten the 5% discount. So instead of me paying $599, they've removed $29.95 and I'll be paying just $569.05 right there. So if you want to get 5% discount when you want to get an account on HyroTrader, use this promo code right here on the screen. I hope you get it. So for me, I'll not be going ahead to buy this account because like I said, I already have a $100,000 trading account that I'll be showing you and I'll be setting it up with you right here in this video. So that's an example. You've gone ahead to make your payment. They will send the account details to your email address. So once you get it, you now go ahead and use it to log in into your account. So make sure that when you are logging in into your account, you see your email address here. So I'm blurring it because I don't want to show my email address. So once you see your email address right here, it is that email address you should use when you're trying to log in. Please don't forget, whatever email address that is showing here, this point or this pathway that is blurred right here, whatever email address is showing on your own screen by the time you are making your payment, that is the email address you should use when you are trying to sign in on the account. I hope you understand. So let's say, for example, you've made your payment like I said earlier, then you go back to the home page. So once you get to this home page right here, then you come here to where you have sign in. So you click on sign in. That means that you want to sign in into your account. So as you can see on the screen, this is where you enter your email address, the email address you used. Please don't forget that email address you used when you're making payment. That's the one you should enter right here. And then you go ahead and enter your password. Make sure you enter your password right here. You can create your password or make sure you check your email address to see how to set up your password. Please make sure you do that. So I'll go ahead now and log into my own account. So as you can see on the screen right here, I've just logged into my HyroTrader account, and this is the $100,000 trading account I got. I can see it is a two-step account. So if you want to go ahead and connect it into your Bybit account, it is simple. Just come here and click on Setup Challenge. And then once you've done that, you will see where you have to choose your drawdown type. So you have two options. You have the swing drawdown type and you have the trailing drawdown type. Now, what is the difference? Now, for the swing drawdown type, what this means is that your maximum drawdown limit stays the same throughout your trading period. Now, what does that mean? So let's say, for example, you get a $100,000 account, just like I've done. And don't forget, for the maximum drawdown, it is 10%. That means that I must not lose more than $10,000. So that means that if my account goes less than $90,000, I lose that trading account. I hope you understand. So that's the meaning of swings. So that means that maximum drawdown stays fixed throughout my trading period. So that means that once my account goes less than $90,000, that means that I lose that account. But if you are picking this trailing one right here, so what this means is that your drawdown will continue to move up as your balance is moving up. So as you are making profit, your drawdown balance will also continue to move up. So what does that mean? So let's, for example, you also use like $100,000 account and your maximum drawdown is 10%. So that means that you must not lose more than $10,000 or your money must not go less than $90,000. That's the meaning. So now if you are now picking this trailing, it means that if you are making profit, that is maybe your money goes up by $1,000, that means that your maximum drawdown will also go up by $1,000. So that means that, let's for example, you've made, let's assume I've made $102,000. So I've made $2,000 profit. That means that my $90,000 limit will also go up to $92,000. So that means that if my money goes less than $92,000, I lose that account. Again, let's say I continue to move up. Let's say I make, let's say $104,000. So that means that my money has gone up by $4,000. That means that my drawdown will also go from $90,000 to $94,000. So if my account goes less than $94,000 at any point, I lose that account. So you can see swing is better than trailing. But the thing is that if you are picking swing, you need to pay an extra amount. So for the $100,000 account I'm using, I'll be paying an extra $179. But if I'm using trailing, it is free. So for this one, I would advise that you use trailing. Don't bother to go and waste your time picking swing and be adding extra amount of money to it. It's just an advice. So I'll just go on right here and click on trailing, which is free. Though swing is better, but if you don't want to spend the extra money, just leave it at trailing. I hope you understand. So once you've done that, just scroll up and click on next. Now, once you've done that, the next step is to pick the platform you want to use to trade. So for me, I'll trade on Bybit. I'll just click on Bybit right there, click on next step. And then the next thing you want to do is to come here and enter your API key and your API secret. Now, this API key and API secret, you can only get them on your Bybit account. So I'll go ahead to my Bybit account right now and show you how to get that. So to get it, go ahead and log into your Bybit account. So this is my Bybit account right here. So the first thing you want to do is to come here to where you have this right here. Make sure you do this on your browser, please. Don't do it on your mobile app. Do it on the browser, please. So once you come here to your Bybit page, just come here to where you have this your image, where you have this your profile picture. Click on it and then come here to where you have switch/create account. So you can see where it says switch/create account. Just click on it. And then right here, you need to create a new sub account. Don't forget. So you click on create right here. And then you go ahead and enter the name of that sub account you want to create. So let's say, for example, I'll name it Hyro100K. So Hyro100K account. Just leave this one as unified trading account and then just click on confirm. And then once you've done that, it asks you to verify your account. So you can just, if you have any form of verification, whether your authentication code or whether a verification code sent to your email address, just do that. So I'll do that for my own right now and I'll go on with the account setup. So you can see right here on the screen, it says created successfully. So once you've created it, it will show you this, but you don't need to transfer any funds. Don't transfer anything at all. Just click on skip and then just click on switch to sub account. So you click on switch to sub account right there. So right now, as you can see on the screen, I'm now on the sub account. So you can see it. This is it. H right here. So you can see Hyro100K. So this is the sub account right now. If you want to change back to your main account, it's simple. This is it right here. Just click on this. It will change to your main account. So don't think it has gone. It is there. So it will change to your main account right there. So once you've done that, come here to where you have demo trading. Please come here to where you have demo trading. Click on it. Now, once you get to the demo trading page, you now come here again to where you have this H again. Come here and then you click on API. You see API here, just click on it. And right here on the screen, it will ask you to create a new key. So you see where you have this create new key, click on it. And then right here, you have two options, system-generated API keys and self-generated API keys. So click on the first one, which is system-generated API keys. And then the next thing you want to do is to come here to where you have name of the API key. So you can just name it anything too. So let's say Hyro 100K again. Can you name it anything? Then you come here to where you have this API key permission. Change it to read write. It will be on read only, but change it to read write. That's the only thing you are changing. For this API transaction, leave it as API transaction. Just put in the name of the API key, change this one to read write. Make sure it is on read write, please. And then scroll up. Make sure you tick these two boxes, unified trading and assets. Tick these two boxes right here. So once you've done that, just click on submit. And just like that, you have your API key and your API secrets. So the next thing I want to do is to copy these two details and go and paste them on your HyroTrader account. I'll be blurring them because of, safety precautions, obviously. So I'll just copy the API key now. Let me copy it. And then I come here to the HyroTrader page and then I enter it right there. So that's the API key. And then for the API secret too, I do the same. I copy it from Bybit and then come here again and then I paste it. And then once you've done that, just click on connect to Bybit. So you can see on the screen, it says success, congratulations, challenge has been set up. Happy trading. So go click on go to challenge. So you can see right here on the screen, it has been set up for me. And right here on this page, I'll be able to monitor how I'm performing. So you can see right here, the minimum trading days is 10 days. So that means that you must trade for at least 10 days before you pass the account. I hope you understand. That's just a minute. So you must trade for at least 10 days. And then you can see the profit target right here. So I must make $10,000. That's for the step 1. Don't forget, it's a 2-step account I'm using. I'm using 2-step challenge type. So that means that the first step, I must reach $10,000 profit. Second step, I must reach another $10,000 profit. Then it is the third step that they will now give me the live account, and from that point, whatever profit I make, I will take 80% of that profit. I hope you get it. And then the drawdown, it means that I must not lose $5,000 in a day. I must not lose more than $5,000 in a day. And then maximum loss means that I must not lose $10,000 in total. That is, all my total losses must not be more than $10,000. I hope you understand. And then you'll be able to see more details right here, like your total close trades, your win rate, your P&L for your closed long trades, and your P&L for your closed short trades. And then here they'll show you the number of trades you've taken. So it is very, very detailed. You'll be able to see detailed information on all of these right here. It is simple and straightforward. And if you want to carry out your trade, you do that on Bybit. So this is Bybit here. So this is the Bybit page. So this is the Bybit page. I'm back to it. Just go back. So once you go back, go to the demo trading page. So I'm still on demo trading. Then go to futures. And then you can see right here on the screen, this is the futures trading page. Please, you are only trading on the demo trading page. Only on the demo trading page, please. And then if you want to confirm your capital, you can see right here, margin balance is $100,000. That's my available balance right here. It's also $100,000. So this is the $100,000 account that I've been connected and I'm trading. So if you want to be taking your trades, just go on Bybit. And when you go on Bybit, make sure you are on the sub account. Make sure it is showing your sub account, which is Hyro 100K right here. That's the sub account we are using. And make sure you are on the demo trading page. Please ensure you are on the demo trading page. Please take note of that. And then if you, let's say for example, you want to go back to your main account, like your own original account on Bybit, just click on start live trading right here. And then it will bring you to this live trading page. But don't forget, this is not the page you are using for your HyroTrader challenge. So if you want to go to your main account again, just come here, click on this H, and then you see your main account. So this is my own main account, Femiolanio right there. So if I click on it, it will take me to my main account. And if you want to also go back to your Hyro 100K account again, just click on this part right here to show you Hyro 100K. Click on it and then go to the demo trading page to carry out your trade. And that's where you'll be taking your trades for this. So when you make profits, when you make a loss, whichever one, you'll be able to see it right here on this page. So you can be able to monitor your progress. So that's it, and that is how you can set up your account. It is simple and straightforward. Don't forget, if you want to try them out, use my link in the description of this video, or you use the link in the pinned comment of this video. And don't forget to use the promo code I talked about earlier to get a 5% discount. The promo code will also be in the description of this video. Don't forget to check it out. And if you guys want me to make more videos on crypto prop firms, or maybe you want me to look for more reputable prop firms out there, let me also know in the comment section below. And lastly, if you have any question about anything I've explained in this video, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section also. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.